because that suede is so stink. I just disrespected that box.
Baby, don't let go. Me on fire. Baby, don't let go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Can I even say that? I haven't been on this channel in like 3 years. Is my channel still alive? Does anyone live here anymore? Are there any subscribers? Is anyone here? Well, if you are, thanks for watching. So today, you can tell by the lovely merchandise, we're doing a Sephora haul. Now, some of the stuff is not from Sephora, some of it's from Ulta. But before we get into this video, today's video is sponsored by Auntie Mary's Blingz and Things and Paparazzi Jewelry. Paparazzi Jewelry is a miracle. It's just a whole bunch of bomb jewelry at a really low price. Auntie Mary is a private consultant and my cousin. She's very good at what she does. I'm going to put all of her links in the description. She does Facebook Lives twice a week. Everything will be in the description box. And if you really want to get your bling on, I am doing a $25 giveaway. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. I don't know where it is. I haven't been here in 3 years, okay? Turn on the notification bell and tell me your favorite part of this video. We're gonna start. Let's start with the miscellaneous stuff because this bag is Rihanna and Anna. So Fenty Beauty and Anastasia Beverly Hills. We'll be over here for a little bit. But we will go through this bag right here, which does have some of my Ulta stuff in it. First one I'm going to talk about is actually on my eyes right now, and it is this ColourPop X's and O's palette. And this is the first like palette I bought from ColourPop because I use their concealers, even though they low-key don't have my shade, but that's okay. I was more than willing to buy two. It's fine. This was the first palette I got because I wish they would sell more palettes in the store because I don't want to order them. I want it now. But this was the first one I saw. It's super like fall-ish. Can we focus on this, please? There we go. And like the names are super cute. Stay Gold. That's so weird that Stay Golden is pink. I just realized that. On my eyes right now, I have Reckless, Redness, and Rookie. I didn't think that, like, look at that. Ooh. Like, I didn't think they'd be that good. And like, that's good. Okay, this girl right here, that is a super pretty color. Oh, there we go. That's like so pretty, and it's on my eyes right now. I actually have Rookie on my lid, and then I put 20 something like in the, what are they called, tear ducts. I want to say that it was like 16 maybe, but I could be wrong. Go to ulta.com and find out. I think that's it for this bag from Ulta. Okay, all this stuff pretty much I used today. I've been waiting so long to film a video that like I haven't used anything. I bought the Skin Tune Blur. Y'all have seen this everywhere. Don't act like you don't know what it is. I just didn't know that it made your face feel like velvet. It was amazing. Look at this big old signal on my head. This I know for a fact was $22, which was a little high for 0.3 ounces, but we're okay with it, I guess. Then I bought something else that y'all have seen everywhere. This Becca highlighter in Opal. My friend actually gave me one and it was broken, and I've used it a lot now because like it's all powdery and you know it flies everywhere. So I was just like, I'll just buy another one. There it is right there. It's like super golden, but like when you put it on, it almost has like a pearl color to it. It's really pretty. I actually have it on my face right now, on my nose. And then I just got my Clarisonic deep pore brush head in focus. Thank you. This is like the only brush head that I use. I would just rather my face be super duper clean than to not. The rest of the stuff in this bag, I'm gonna hold to the end. On to the next one, on to the next one. Anyways, that's a miscellaneous item, is my Morphe spray. So here was my debate with this. I've had Morphe spray before. Here's my empty bottle right here. So I was like, well, I'm gonna go get Huda's setting spray. $30 first of all. I feel like that's way too much because these are basically the same size. $33 for 2 1/4 ounce. Too much for me. But then I sprayed it in the store, the old Aussie hairspray. Y'all remember what that used to smell like? That's what it smelled like. And I don't feel comfortable putting that on my face because it reminds me of that smell. So I have a hard time believing like it's safe for my face. So then when I read it online, I read that she was inspired by drag queens that put hairspray on their face. So now I feel like you just repackaged some hairspray and you want me to pay $30 for my skin to break out. That's what I feel like. So I went back to my Morphe setting spray, which I actually pair with my Ulta. This is my travel one, but my Ulta setting spray. And I love this one because a lot comes out and it's really sticky. So it like pushes everything in place. And then I put this on top. This is still just as good by itself. I will not be purchasing that other one. It's not happening. And I know y'all saw me pull it out. So we're gonna do this one first because this is the one that they got me yesterday. Okay, so I went to Sephora yesterday to get my brush head because I was taking a shower and I went to wash my face and my Clarisonic didn't work, and I was like, what the heck is going on? The little brush head with a line through it popped up, and I've never seen it happen. I'm really on top of changing my brush heads out. Well, I haven't been on top of it clearly, so I had to go get that. Well, I kept saying that I was gonna do this Anastasia create your own palette thing, and I never do it. And this is what I created, and I tried to make something that didn't look like something I had already. Put transition colors in there, obviously, because I don't want to have to grab for another palette just to use this one, you know. This one is hot chocolate. This one is noir. This one is emerald. I believe that this one is, I want to say truffle golden or something, truffle graham or something like that. This was not bad. This was 30 bucks because I bought each shadow and you have to buy the case. So $30 for all this. And I know I'll use every color in it. Whereas, give y'all some references. Whereas this palette, my favorite palette ever, because it smells like peaches. I want to say this palette was $40. I have used a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 colors in the whole palette. So 5 colors, $40. 4 colors I know I like, $30. I mean, it works out. Now, the moment you guys have been waiting for. I mean, maybe, I don't know. Oh, I just love the packaging so much. Let me tell you why I love this packaging. Because they finally got rid, at least for this one. I think they did it for the Ashley Edwards one too. But they finally got rid of that stinking suede. Because that suede is so stink. I just disrespected that box. The suede is so like messy and like stuff gets all over it. I love this because I can wipe it like with a makeup wipe and everything's good. So I don't have to go into this one too much. It's been everywhere for the last like 3 weeks, but these things are amazing. And what actually happened was my god sister had this palette. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. And I was kind of like, I don't know if I want to get it. Because I noticed Anastasia makes these new palettes, right? But a lot of their transition colors are the exact same color with the exact same name. So why am I rebuying a palette for more colors that I know I'm going to use, obviously, but I already have them? So that's why I was really excited about this one, because these are colors I know I don't have. I'm not gonna swatch it right now. I love it too much to swatch, but you can look and it's very pretty. And I know you've seen somebody swatch it. I know Miss Jackie herself swatched it. It's gonna go right back in the box. Okay, now here's the deal with this palette. I know this palette was, I want to say $45, $50. I can't remember right now. But of course you have the option of getting it online in store and between Sephora and Ulta. I definitely recommend that you buy this palette at Ulta and not Sephora. Sorry, Sephora. Ulta gives you a free Anastasia gift. I was very proud of this gift because 1, I didn't know I was getting it. Like, they kept that thing under wraps. 2, they're things that like I would actually use. We have Just a regular compact mirror. I'm gonna put it in my purse because it's so lovely. They gave me a clear brow gel, lip gloss in Toffee, which I'm wearing right now. I paired it with Kylie Jenner's True Brown K. If you're watching this, can you please start selling True Brown K liner in a single? They gave me a contour stick in Banana. So that was very nice, and I felt like I really got my bang for my buck at Ulta. Thank you very much, Ulta. And Anastasia and Miss Jackie, because I feel like you probably had something to do with that. So thanks. Now we move on to Rihanna. I know that I am late to the game. I know. Just leave me be. I got the cheek hugging brush, an angled kabuki brush. So this one. Now this one I had to order. I went to 2 or 3 Sephoras and could not find this. So I eventually ordered it. It's one of her newer primers. Here's the original. And it's like almost a solid. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like almost a solid. And I'm just now realizing how much I use of it. And here is her new one. And it looks a lot like the Kylie Skin package. But I'm not saying she copied Kylie Skin. Oh my gosh. I forgot how YouTube can be. I'm new to the neighborhood, okay? I ain't been here in 3 years. I bought this. I'm wearing it right now. It is underneath my Farsali, and it feels really good. It doesn't feel like anything's on my face. So another thing that I got, it was something that I did really want because Rihanna's really good about colors and like undertones and stuff, which is great for me because I'm like neutral and olive at the same time, which is like kind of the same, but it's not. And if you're neutral and olive, you know what I'm talking about. This is the Sunstalker bronzer. And I got the color Caramel Cuties. It's so pretty. Yes, it has my fingerprints all over it because I've literally been like pulling it out and putting it back, pulling it out, putting it back. Because I'm trying not to use stuff. But I did use it today. You can kind of tell that it's like super neutral. And I love that. So I just like to say thank you, Rihanna. Thank you for thinking of us because you did us right. And then last, but of course not least, I got the Body Lava. I got the color Who Needs Clothes, which was also why I bought this, the brush. And I just love it. So like, look at that. Look, just take me out of the video. I don't even need to be here. This is the Body Lava show now. Somebody's got to stop the camera, I guess. I'm excited to use this, especially before it gets like super cold and we have to cover up. The last few things I got were free. I did some point reward things at Sephora, so I got this. I love Amika in general. I love like their co-wash, and I love their color treated line. But this is their Reset line, and it's a pink charcoal scalp cleansing oil and an exfoliating jelly shampoo. So that's what this is. If y'all want a review on that, leave it in the comments because I'll be checking it out soon. This is the one I was really excited about. So I've been like super obsessed with like organizing my makeup finally. I just bought Alex drawers like 2 weeks ago. So it's been an exciting time. And one of my rewards was a brush cup. And it is the cutest thing I've ever seen. This is my brush cup right now. It has dirty brushes in it, I'm sorry. But this is my brush cup right now. And I'm just gonna kind of set them next to each other and they can be cute together. This one I got at TJ Maxx. It was like $4. I'm trying to make a mess over here. But this one was super cute and it was free. And I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Remember, if you want to be entered in the giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, do the notification bell wherever it is on this screen. It could be up there, it could be down there, I don't know. Do the notification bell and tell me what your favorite part of this video was. Don't forget to click the links in the description. I'm gonna put Auntie Mary's shop in there. I'm going to put her Facebook link for her Facebook Lives. I'm 90% sure she does them twice a week. But if not, I'm going to put the correct times and dates in there. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.